Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we're going to be going over the Docker container called Tugtainer. Tugtainer is a way to keep track of the images that you have, whether they're outdated or need updates, and then you can set them up to actually update automatically or just check and let you know that there actually been updates to the actual image itself. This is very similar to Watchtower, but Watchtower is kind of more of an automated one. Not that you could stop it from being automated, but this is a good way to keep track of your images, be notified about your images, and all of the different things that can go along with your images. And you can also get those updated to the latest and greatest, so that you don't have any security vulnerabilities. Here we can see this is just a quick one that's running on the local. This is DocMon, Premate, and Tugtainer, and 0byte. We can actually do checks on those. Right now they're running, they're healthy, all that good stuff. Here's my other YouTube one that I have with all the different things running on it as well. This one actually has the Tugtainer agent running on it. That's how I'm able to pull all that information in here. But we're just going to be going over setting up the Tugtainer so that we can keep track of that, and then we'll go from there. So this is the version 1.15.1 of Tugtainer, and now that you've seen it, now we're actually going to actually install the container on the system that we've been doing all the YouTube videos on. So let's go to that next step. So here we are once again, logged into our system that is Ubuntu with Docker installed on it. We are logged in as the initial user, and then from here we have our normal container directory. So we'll change directories into that. We will do a make directory, and we'll call this Tugtainer, and we'll change directories into Tugtainer. Once we're in the Tugtainer, we are going to do the nano compose.yaml. Here we can see the services, Tugtainer, the image, the port that's going to use. Remember, the 9412 will be the external, or the one that's on the actual Docker container itself, and then the internal, which is 80. And then we've got the var runs Docker sock so that we can actually see the socket that Docker is running on, so that we can see all the images and stuff like that are on there. And then our time zone, and then the container protect. We're going to hit Control X and say yes. Now we're going to do our standard Docker compose up-d. That will be pulling down the image and setting up the container. After running the Docker compose up-d, we are now going to do the Docker compose logs. And now we can go out to our browser, put in the IP address, and it's going to be HTTP and port 9412. Once you've created your password, you can click save. And now it wants us to log in. We'll sign in, and now we can see all of our containers on this specific host itself. And we also see the status if they're running or not, and all the good information there. We say check all hosts or check all, or set certain ones for check on or off, or update on or off. So that's your basic setup of Tugtainer. This is just the initial install of it. And these are so new that I really don't have any updates on these, but this is a great little utility that you can use to check those images and stuff like that. And then I'll be showing some other ones where you can actually preen some of the images, and that way you can get rid of some of the stuff that's taking up probably some of your extra storage. It was just another real quick one. This is Tugtainer for actually checking your actual images. The information will be in the description. Hope you enjoyed that. My name is Matthew Bingham with MB Tech. If you would, please like and subscribe. And thanks a lot. Have a great rest of the day.